Yeah, man, welcome the people to another episode, some good reasoning. Me I say? Alien TV presidential platform, the boy Juliano, you see me? Yeah, Rastafari. No more reason today about that same little incident there with them trim the girl, the Rastafarian Empress, me I say? Because I saw a couple medium or certain people were trying to insinuate that this girl was lying and she couldn't just, police couldn't trim her ear, or people were trying to do damage control for the Jamaican constabulary force, because you have a lot of bloggers who are anti-Babylon, and some of them against the system and some of them are with the system. Study them narrative and you understand what me I say. Now this girl, this female, this empress was indeed trimmed by the police in the station. And just have to make you wonder, so back in the days, back in the 60s, in 63, when they were killing off all the Rasta them and trimming Rasta with grass buckle. Yeah, all in Rastafarian men, women and children and cutting their locks with grass buckle, mackerel tin, machetes, scissors, whatever they could get. Police officers and soldiers were trimming, running down the people them to trim off their locks, because Bustamante gave an order to bring in all Rasta, dead or alive. All Rastafarian was ordered by the Prime Minister, then Mr. Bustamante, to be brought in dead or alive, and who don't want to be brought in would be sent out by Bogue. Now a lot of people might not know what Bogue is. Bogue is a cemetery. And that's what the Prime Minister ordered. Who don't want to turn in themselves will go to the cemetery, and only dead people go to the cemetery. They killed over 150 Rastafarians. That's what they allege or claim, but it was way more people. Because when the police and the soldiers, when they came to locked up a lot of Rastafarian people back in the time, all of Jamaica, it was happening. Many of those people were never found or cannot be accounted for even to this day. Babylon no like Rasta. The politicians them no like Rasta. But politicians them are hypocrite. Because even though them no like Rasta, they put Bob Marley upon them thing and them put Rasta color upon them thing for drawing the tourists. And them call it tourism. Them look at ism and them schism. Always want ism to them thing. You know me I say? No, you see tourism is a form of slavery. Where the rich and wealthy Europeans used to come to the Caribbean. And they used to come and be treated well by black servants, black people, black men and women and children who were never paid for their servitude. They were never paid, neither in Jamaica nor America nor in the diaspora. They were never paid. Now, over the years, it trickled down to tourism, where you have to follow this pristine type of, to work in the hotel industry, being underpaid, catering for the slave master and the slave master's children and grandchildren and children's children. Now this man Bustamante, they call him a national hero for Jamaica. He could never be my hero. This man is a wicked leader. This man is an evil man and a fish. Most of these leaders back in the days were into a lot of fishy stuff. But back in the days, those things were so taboo, they held it down, A lot of them were into pagan rituals, selling out the people and selling out their soul to gain the world. Bustamante and Norman Manley were cousins. And they were both Prime Minister of Jamaica at one point in time. To divide and rule, to divide and conquer. You see the joke? They alone a laugh. Because right now to this day, black people, we are not better off than in the 60s. We think we are better off because technology and everything is improving. You might have a little phone, you have light now, we have water, yeah, we have internet, yeah, we can do this, people can bleach now, yeah, we can go get your little, yeah, people can work on them body. No little things are going on now, but we are not better in the sense of who we are. We don't identify ourselves with our ancestors. We don't understand we are which type of people. We are the children of God, the 12 tribe of Israel. Now, in order to understand why we are being pressured like that, you have to understand your identity. Like, why would they be fighting against us as black people? Why? all over the world, the Haitians them, from them win them independence, the whole world, the whole white world turn against the Haitians them. Why are they fighting against these people of melanin, the people who grow them hair and their hair is like wool? Why are they fighting against black people? Because we are the children of God. Hitler understood that we were the children of God. When he went to Africa, he found out. That's why when he came back to Germany, he ran a campaign and started, and I know a lot of people are going to get offended. You can go on YouTube and Google it and watch your documentaries. He went to Africa and found out that black people were indeed the children of God, the 12th tribe of Israel. He came back to Europe and he ran a campaign. That's why he slaughtered so many Jews for being imposters and fakes. That's why Hitler killed so many Jews. Until this day, they act like the Jews that died in a little 6 or 7 year war were more than the hundreds of years of slavery of black people dying. So they still say the Jewish Holocaust is the greatest atrocity on earth, which is a lie. Slavery to the black people, to the children of God, is the greatest atrocity on earth. Stealing our identity and saying they're Jews when they're not is the greatest atrocity on earth that have been done to the black people. And our leaders and government in Jamaica know that we are the children of Israel, and they are being puppet leaders and they are still orchestrating to keep us in slavery, my people. It's not accidental when you see them trim this person, because it's going to get stricter, people. And I'm warning you, Rastafarians, you don't need to gather on yourself. You don't need to recuperate. You don't need to stand up and strong up. Now you're Bingi, Bobo Hill, Sizzla, Kalanji, Capleton, Bojo, Morgan Heritage, Bob Marley, son, them. I don't know if you're there with the fire, no there, or because you're half white. And I mean, I say this as a disrespectful way be. I'm just saying, a lot of people have been colonialized in their mentality and their self-esteem to have white people, or if you're white or brown skin or something like that, you should think that you're not black or you're better. We are all black people. So I wonder, are you guys decolonializing your mind to see that there's going to be a revolution be? Are we mentally prepared, physically prepared for this revolution? Because there's not going to be a change if we ask them. It's not going to be a change. You're not going to give us freedom. The slave master will not give up the luxury, the millions, the properties. They will not give up what they have attained, even if they know that it was attained in a wrongful manner by their forefathers. And this enough to understand. Rasta have to unite and build a Rasta government to get the people them back on track. Because all these parties were created by slave masters. The PNP was created by a slave master, descendant. And the JLP was created by a slave master descendant. This is not hypocrisy, this is not prejudice, it's just the truth, bro. So how can we, as black people, say we're going to go forward with an instrument or a plan that was created by the slave master? We have to form our own plan. That's why I say right now, Rasta man and the musician them need to come together and form a Rasta party. Because the politician them no more popular than we, and the people them no love the politician them more than the Rasta man them and the musician them. That's why it burn when we say musician I lead the people them astray. We need the eye them to see what go on in a be. We are leaders be. The youth them a cry out be. Youth them bawling out, brethren. You them balling out, yo. Jamaica is crying out, my lord. We need leadership, be. We need righteousness, be. And a lot of people, I don't care who you are, whether you're in higher society or low society, you know to yourself, say, Rasta, better than politician, be. I just want to look dready out there to do some little nasty things, be. And you cannot judge everybody by one individual, you know what I mean? But Rastafarians are better people when it comes to morals than politicians. Politicians are corrupted, be. Politicians are evil people who have sold their soul for riches, be. Cannot trust these people. We cannot trust them. Need to go back to the roots and hail the king. Need to love our ancestors like the Maroons still love their ancestors and love John live. Hate him and die, Jamaica. Like and subscribe, you know. And have a blessed day and walk good Jamaica. And just remember, you know, the power is in the people. You hear that? Always remember that the power is within the people, so don't let them trick you. Like and subscribe. And it's your boy Julian, you know. Blessed. I Selassie. Jah. Rastafari. Yes, I.